up guys, in this video I am going to be trading $100 accounts, and I will also pick 2 random people from the comment section and grow their accounts up. So stay tuned and let's get right to it. Over here we have the volatility 25 index on the daily time frame, and if we look, we are seeing the market have repeatedly come to this exact point repeatedly. Not once, not twice, but I think around 4 times now it has gone up and come down, touched that same point and gone back up again, and it's at that same point. Moving to the 4-hour time frame, we'll see the chart more clearly, and we can see the market is just above the demand level and is expected to make a bearish move and touch that level before making a bullish move. So I'm just going to move to the 30 minutes time frame to confirm our entry points. At this point we already know the direction of the market, so I'm going to go for sell and wait for the market to make a bullish move before I enter for buys. It's been a couple of hours and the market went down, but didn't really touch our buy limit I set down for the market at the demand level. The market went more than halfway and started reversing, so I'm just going to set new buy limits where I'll enter buy positions, and I'm going to shift my previous buy limits at that point. I'm going to shift the two, the first at the new buy demand level I set and the second at the previous buy limits, and I'm going to close the sell positions and see how it goes. It's been over a day now and the market touched only the first buy limit and went for a bullish move, which I took advantage of and entered 2 more positions, and now we are $398 profit. We are on volatility 50 index on the 30 minute time frame, and I have already identified our demand level where I'll be putting a buy limit just below that doji candlestick. I'm going to set 1 more buy limit. That was a mistake. I'll set the next buy limit just at our second demand level, and I will be entering for multiple sells. I expect the market to touch either one of our demand level before moving bullish to the trend. It's been about 5 hours and the market went just as predicted. It went for the lowest demand level I set for it and went just above the first demand level, and I went in for multiple positions just between the buy levels. We are on our second day, and as you can see the markets went just as predicted and we are at huge profits. I'm just going to close the market at this point. I'm not going to be greedy, and we are at $1,554. So if you want your account grown for you, leave a comment, and thanks for watching and stay tuned.